Nicely played again. This time he's played it squarer, and this time he's picked up a boundary as well. That's a fine shot from Benkenstein.
To find a gap. Excellent shot there. Look at the head. It's still on, right onto his front foot. It's not sewing onto the offside. Still heads.
Gone over the top with control, and has hit it beautifully.
He wants to bring that slip fielder in, but he's now challenged with aggression of Luke Benkenstein. That's the boundary before. Down on one knee. Use of the long levers.
The seams are in the right positions. Cries of catch it. He might be out. He is out. Nathan Edward has picked up a really important wicket here.
It didn't connect. Again trying to go on straighter this time, but sliced it. An easy catch for Arham Nawab, and the change has worked for the captain Ubaid Shahid. He brought in Nathan Edwards and he has got a wicket.
That's nicely played.
And even though he's got pace, but he was able to read that ball pretty quickly. No fielder in deep square. Now there's a change in field.
Just ticked around the corner for 4.
This is not a good delivery onto the leg side. The bounce was enough for him to just play it very comfortably. No risk involved there either. That's not good bowling.
Two leg side, that delivery. Prime form. Just close the face so that ball goes into the gap. Wide of mid-on. Still plenty open spaces. Oh, that is sublime.
He probably would want to keep watching that all night long when he gets back. Amazing. When you got two batters who can bat like that. Low risk, maximum output. And he gets a boundary. That's a... Oh, he gets that edge. Everything's been missed. That should have been out.
Calm down here. Just come down the wicket. It wasn't for that edge. He was either getting bowled or he was going to be stumped. There really is no need for him to be...
There you go again. Attacks. Just passes that cover fielder. He gets a boundary.
Now he struck this one well. It's just gone to the right. That man had extra cover.
It's hit big. This time he clears everything.
Now the sixes. One that took him past the 50 mark. Appreciated by his colleagues. He's gone again. Now, has he got enough of this? Yes, he does. Oh, well, he's decided that he's going to take on Arham Nawab. A couple of sixes in the over. Biggest one of the innings so far. 18 from it. The man's in control.
Oh, he times this. Has he got enough of it? He has just.
It was a slower delivery. And with the slower delivery, there is no deep mid-wicket. And with the stance, you know the release shot will go there. It might be 4 runs.
Yep. Is. Yeah, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You bowl slow one, he hits you out of the park. You try to go faster, he flicks it off the hips. Excellent batting, 11 of 4 deliveries.
Now then, as he picked the fielder out, I don't think he gets all of it. Is he going to be out? Yes.
And this time Zishan puts a lot of effort into that ball. Benkenstein wants to go deep mid-wicket. This time there's a fielder there.
I don't know whether he does get enough of it. He just does, yeah.
This is a good hit. A very good hit. The off spinner is on. He knew that this is the chance. Takes it. He's playing according to his role, Zulkifal.
top edge. This will run away for a boundary.
He's taking the bowlers on whenever there's a delivery which he thinks he can take to the boundary.
Nice shot. This will be another boundary. So the Sharks want to finish this quickly.
Now he's showing all his range. When Luke Benkensteiner keeps saying the fact, just use a feet and slaps it down. When he had a set partner, he was just rotating the strike. Now he's set, he's taking the bowlers on. Excellent batting.
I tell you, will be happy as well. Viv Richards, he's enjoyed his time working with...
Down the ground, not particularly hard, but it's going to be certainly successful for 4.